Hey everybody, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create clipping extensions using Afro Kinky hair. Now I will have a link below as to how I dyed this hair and the type of hair that I use, so click it. Alright, so I'm just showing you my braided pattern. It is nothing special, it is nothing perfect or particular. It's just 4 rough cornrows in my hair, and I left out a little of the perimeter of my hair as well as the middle part to blend. And this is the hair, looking pretty, huh? So I'm just showing you how I go ahead and cut the extension. So I'm measuring the first strap and it goes from my ear to my ear, and then in order to minimize the number of clips I actually have to use, I am going to double up the wefts. So you see here that I folded it over, and then I'm going to go ahead with a pair of scissors and then I'm going to cut off the excess hair. So I'm taking the needle and thread here, and then I'm going through the wefts, and I'm going to go ahead and sew the 2 pieces together. Now remember, you see a loop here? Remember, the needle goes through that loop, and then you're going to continue sewing all the way down. Alright, so to end it, this is really important. I'm going to wrap the thread around the needle twice. This is going to make it extra secure, but then just for extra security, I'm going to go in again, and then I'm going to wrap the thread around the needle once, and then going to pull. This is going to create a knot. Then going in with the scissors, I'm just going to cut off the excess thread. And then you should have something looking like this. So this is the clip. Remember, the teeth of the clip are facing up, so not on the palm of your hand, facing up towards you. So I'm going to place the first clip onto my hair, and then there's some holes at the top. I'm going to place my needle through that hole, and then I'm going to go ahead, remember the loop on the end of the thread, put the needle through, and then pull. And just as with the first hole or the first end of the clip, I'm going to go ahead to the second hole or the second end of the clip and do the same thing. Place the needle through the hole a couple of times, and then wrap the thread around the needle and pull and secure. And this is what the first clip looks like. Now for some, you're going to end up using maybe 2 clips, some 3, some more. So I'm just going to show you how I installed it. It's as simple as just opening the clips, clipping it into your hair, and clipping down to make sure that it's secure. So this was a twistle that I had. All I'm doing here is that I'm gonna gently unravel the twist. And then where the part is, I'm just gonna create a part, and then this is where I'm gonna blend my own hair with the extensions. Now this is my Eco Styler gel. I love this. Looking back, I would have done my hair as a twist out, but you know, trial and error, you live and you learn. So here I'm just taking the gel and raking it through my hair, kind of like shimmering method, but it blended pretty well. I'm also placing the gel on the perimeter of my hair, making sure that it is nice and smooth and blends seamlessly with these extensions. And don't worry about that track that you can see. I do go ahead later and fix it so that you can't see it anymore. So here I'm just going in with my pair of scissors, and I'm just trimming off the ends, you know, the straggly ends that don't add anything to the hairstyle. I'm just trimming them off so that this hairstyle looks really nice and chic. And this is the completed look. So I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.